Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make our mushroom gravy to go with our tofurky is slice the mushrooms and onions. You only need a little bit of onion, so I'm just going to of the regular onion and go ahead and peel it. And then you're just going to cut this into, just basically dice it, or small slices. If you really like onion and you want to get a big hunk of onion in your gravy, you can do larger pieces, but for our purposes, we're going to cut it pretty small. And you probably aren't even going to use this whole amount because, like I said, we only need a quarter cup. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this into pieces. So let's see how much that is. So we've already got about a quarter cup of onion, and that's all you're going to need for this particular gravy. So we've got our 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms here. I'm going to go ahead and quarter them for the gravy. And you just want to cut them in half, and then cut each half in half again. So you've got quartered mushrooms. And of course you want to wash these before you begin. If you've got a particularly large mushroom, you can do it in smaller pieces if you want. Or if you like a really chunky gravy, you can leave them in bigger pieces. Whatever your preference is. Okay, so we've finished chopping our mushroom. We've got 8 ounces of quartered cremini mushrooms and a quarter cup of onions, chopped onions. And this is going to be the base, the vegetable part of our gravy.